Hi everyone! Today we are going to talk about this beautiful tree that's behind me. Do you want money to literally grow on trees? Then you need to watch this full tutorial. You can get a tree like this once per day, and you can do so by going around your island to find the spot where there is gold glowing from. And it can literally be anywhere where there's grass on your island, so it may take a couple of minutes to locate where this is. And the location changes every day. And it's easier to find these spots at night because they do glow, whereas during the daytime you can still see them, but they're not as obvious as they are at night. Oh. You see that little gold spot up there? That is where we need to go. So you want to come up here to the gold spot, and you want to take out your shovel and dig it up. This will give you 1,000 bells. So now that we have that gold spot open, we can actually plant more bells to receive 3 times the amount. I believe the safest amount is you can do 10,000 and you will get a return of 30,000. Anything more than that is just a guess. You may or may not actually get 3 times, but just to say this, we're going to separate 10,000 bells, and you want to select the option that says bury in hole, and you'll see this little tree appear. So once the tree grows up, then it will have the 3 money bag or the 3 bell bags that we saw at the beginning of this video. And then just like you can with other tree items, you can shake the tree to get those bells. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope it's helpful, and I hope you have a blast growing money trees, because I mean, who said that money doesn't grow on trees? Obviously they have never played this game. So, but if you would like some more Animal Crossing tutorials and how-tos, then please be sure to hit the subscribe button below. So thank you so much for watching this video with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!